Good evening to all. Today we can start today's session. So here, switch on the video so some students, okay, Devika and Nihal, Mustafa, I want to see the rate. This Francis, please switch on the video. Sanika, Devaganga, Ashish.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I renaming.
Okay. So here we can learn today's portion. Okay. So before that, just tell me, Sri Rudra, Sri Rudra, Sri Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What we had learned about, what we had learned in the previous class. What are things we learned in the previous class? Are you there in the class?
Yeah, ma'am. I was there, ma'am.
Okay, you were there.
Renewing.
Okay. Winnowing. Is it we learned? Winnowing?
No, ma'am.
No.
Can I
Okay,
say?
so I will ask you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
1 minute.
ma'am Devika.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Devika. Sri Devika.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, Sri Rudra, listen what all things we discussed in the previous class. I showed so many slides, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We started a new chapter. Changes
changes around us.
changes around
Changes
us.
around us. Very good.
Changes around
Then
us.
we learned about reversible.
Francis, 1 minute. Francis, is that your name, Devika? Francis?
No, ma'am, I did not put the Devika.
Then why you are unmuting and saying?
Everyone told that time.
No, nobody told. I told to Devika to tell. Those
Ma'am,
are.
when Devika
Okay.
told, I see in my screen person told that. So I told only, ma'am.
No. Don't say that. See, here, if anybody is doing, then also, should you break the promise to your teacher? Maybe some are saying it. Okay, should you disobey your teacher, Francis? Huh?
Never,
Anybody are
ma'am.
doing?
Never.
Don't do it. Okay. So if I call some student's name and if some others are saying that answer without our permission,
Ma'am, and I did not
change
hear
that.
you was calling Devika. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So be careful next time. Okay, Devika. Real Devika. Tell it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we learned about reversible things.
Reversible changes, not things.
Changes.
Reversible changes. Am I right? We
Yes,
learned
ma'am.
about reversible changes. So where is Sri Rudra? Sri Rudra? Sri Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sri Rudra, can you tell me, are you there in the class, previous class?
Ma'am, I don't. Ma'am, I think I was not there, ma'am.
You were absent. Okay. So that is right. So just let me revise the chapter. Okay. We know there are so many changes around us, right? You do some activity also that day, right? You did some activity
Yes, ma'am.
using
Yes,
the
ma'am.
paper. From the activity, when you made this one, paper boat or paper plane out of a paper, after making that toy, you will get you got that paper back, right? Original paper back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And after when you made some other pictures or some other things
Cuttings.
from when you cut that
Cuttings of
paper,
chips.
when you cut that paper into different shapes, at that time, did you get the original paper back?
No, ma'am.
No. So that is a permanent change. When you cut a shape out of a paper, you did some permanent change in the paper. But when you mute your Smriti, it is not the time to sing. Stravana also mute your audio. So when you cut a shape from the paper, you made a permanent change. You won't get back the original paper out of it. But when you make some toy planes or boards from that paper, you will get back the paper after unfolding it. That change we can return it, right? That is temporary change. That is the same case when I talked about this one, right? Which one? Blowing air into the balloon.
Yes, ma'am.
When we blow air into the balloon after tying, we can use it. But
Yes,
if we
ma'am.
want to save it for some other days, we can free that air from the balloon. We will get back the balloon back without any change. But if you are pricking the balloon after filling the air into it, will you get back that balloon? Will you be able to use it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Never.
It is permanent, right? In the same way, chapatis, after baking that, after cooking the chapatis, will we get the balls out of it?
No, ma'am.
Already permanent change happened there. So changes are okay. So can you go back to the infant stage now? Will you go back?
No, ma'am. I can't.
Maybe you wish to do, maybe you wish to go back to your infant stage, right? But not possible. It is because changes are continuous and it is the law of nature. See, when I am of your age, in the fifth standard, sixth standard, or below that, I am not remembering it. In the Doordarshan, at that time only Doordarshans are there. No other channels, only DD. DD is there. DD Hindi, that is also available in Hindi. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So, yes, Sri Rudra.
can't hear you properly, ma'am.
Same, Sri Rudra, I think your network is not stable. That is the reason. Okay. Others all can hear it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Almost everybody can hear it. Okay. So I am saying about the one serial was there at that time. One time machine. When that person using that time machine, he can go to that infant stage. That time is there. That time he can do. That ages, infant age, then childhood age, these old ages. He can return back to that time. Hmm. So at that time, in one episode, it was a very funny thing. Uh, really, that boy used that time machine and he went, I think, so many years back. Means before the time of his father's birth. Before the time of his father's birth. So he saw his father as an infant. He took that baby in his hand and all on a sudden his father, which is a small infant, it urinated. Just a very funny thing, right? That is not his age. He can go to that. He was able to go to that his father's infant that age. That one time machine was there at that. Not that in the serial. In the same way, maybe you all are wishing, right? You can go back to your infant. Are you? Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay, you want to grow up. But I really like to go back because here so much responsibilities, right? I have to face so much.
Now, Corona.
Okay, now during this time you want to go back to the last year and all, right? Okay, you are really missing
Ma'am.
these things. Okay, okay. So hope this condition all will change. So changes, everywhere changes are there, right?
It's only increasing.
Okay, okay. So these changes, Pradeep, mute your audio. So, so these changes, some changes are temporary. We will get back the original things. But some are permanent one, as your growth, permanent. We can't get the original thing out of, right? So here we can share the slide. Today I am going to share the slide. Those were absent on the previous day, you can watch it. Okay. So here I am playing the first onwards. Those were absent, for them I am playing it. Okay. The chapter, it is 6 changes around us. So these all are changes, right? These all are the changes which we have discussed it. Change in size,
Yes, ma'am.
change in size in the plants also, and next one, changes in the temperature. These all changes are temporary, right? See, so in this, while we are discussing, we can say whether it is temporary change or a permanent change. Okay. So first change in size. Is this change? Can you see the board? Can you
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
board? Yes. Okay. ML, is this change in size? Is it a temporary change or a permanent change?
In size,
Change in size.
ma'am, permanent.
Permanent. We won't go back to our infant stage, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
next one, it is the change in size of the plants. So let me ask you this one. Anna, is this change a temporary or a permanent? Anna, is this change a temporary change or a permanent? Will we get the seedling from the tree? The same seedling. We will get so many seedlings we will get from the tree, but will we get the same seedling from which the tree originated?
No, ma'am.
No. So it is a permanent change. Okay. Next one, Kanish. Okay, Kanish. The changes in temperature. Is it a permanent change? Kanish.
No, ma'am.
No, it is also temporary. After some months, it will change. After day by day, it is changing. So during some night and day, it will change, right? So next one, Vinayak, is this change in position of planets? Is this a permanent or temporary? Vinayak, yes. Is this a permanent change or a temporary change? Position of planets.
I can't hear you properly.
Sorry, some more loudly you can tell. I can't hear it.
Ma'am, he is telling that he cannot hear you.
Okay. So let me. Amita, can you hear me, Amita? No. Nihal, what about Nihal? Yes. Nihal, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, this change in the position of the planets, is it permanent or temporary?
Ma'am, permanently.
Permanently. See, 365 days, the earth will start the rotation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, need to see if the earth starts from here, after 365 days, it will come to the same point, right? So,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this a permanent change or temporary change?
Temporary.
Temporary change. Okay, after a particular period, it will start from the first point.
Okay, ma'am.
Sri Rudra, please mute your audio. Next one. This changes in the color of the nature. Malavika, Bini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, is this a temporary or permanent? Is this the change is forever or for a particular time? Change in color. Is it for a particular time or for a permanent? Is it permanent or temporary? Altina,
And can I say?
Altina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's temporary.
Temporary. Morning the color. Malavika, please listen. Morning the color will be or yellowish orange. But during the daytime it may be blue. Dark, midnight it may become dark. Again morning. Morning it will yellowish orange. So this will continue after a particular time. So this is only a permanent change. Okay, Malavika, I hope you understood it.
Yes, ma'am.
One state of change in state. Namasya. 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 This change in state. Change in state means when a liquid changes to vapor, when a ice changes to liquid. What about this? Is it a permanent change or a temporary change? Namasya? Not able. Okay. So I will ask to Geetika. Geetika, is this a temporary change or a permanent change?
It's a temporary.
Temporary. When we freeze the water, it will become ice. When we take it out, again we will get the water back. When we boil the water, it will turn to vapor. When we cool the vapor, we will get back the water. Right? In the previous lesson, you learned about it. So, here also blowing off this one. That is also a temporary change. This one also a temporary change. And this also. So, these all things we discussed in the last class. But what about when we burn a paper? Abhinav Sajan? Abhinav Sajan? What about when we burn a paper? No, not possible. See, let me see. See, dear students, are you facing network issues?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
calling, they can't answer it. Okay. So, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, mute your audio. So, when we, so I think if I am showing the slide, those can't see it, right? Can all can see it? Namasya? Namasya? Have you Namasya? No. Okay, she is. I think all others. What about Sri Rudra? Have you saw that old slide? Sri Rudra, have you saw that slide? No.
No, ma'am.
Have you seen? Have you seen it?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, I connectivity when that time.
Okay. So, see, let me, I don't know what to do. If it is the problem of the net issues, means I can't do anything. Okay. So, here we can see this one. Paper, when we burn a paper, what about Ashishuni? Is it a temporary or permanent change?
Permanent.
Permanent. We won't get back the paper back. So accordingly, and after baking the chapatis also, it is a permanent. We won't get back the dough back. So based on these examples, we can see that changes are of two types: reversible
And non-reversible or
irreversible. Okay. So changes are of two types: reversible or non-reversible. See, changes are of two types: reversible changes and non-reversible changes. Reversible changes are those changes that can be reversed. That means it is we will get the original substance back. For example, after making the paper board, we will get the paper out of it, original paper out of it, right? After heating the ice cubes, we will get the water back. Huh? So that is called reversible change. Changes that we can reverse it. It is only a temporary change. Then we will get the original substance out of it. Up to that we learned in the last class. Now today we can learn what are irreversible changes, the other change, other type of change.
Ma'am, it should be the opposite of.
Yeah, opposite of reversible. It is surely the opposite reaction of the reversible. Irreversible. One more name is there. Non-reversible. Irreversible or non-reversible. I think prefix you learned in the English grammar, right? Prefix. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
one day I heard Anju ma'am is teaching that prefix. So, is it ir and non are the prefix, right?
Yes.
When we are keeping in front of reversible, we will get the opposite meaning. Non, if we are keeping on the reversible, in front of the reversible, we will get the opposite meaning. Non-reversible. So, irreversible or non-reversible changes. For example, when we burn the paper, will we get the paper back? No way. We can't reverse that reaction. We won't get the original substance out of it. It is a permanent change. Changes in you, that is permanent. We won't get the infant back from you. Am I right?
Yes,
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
When we cook the chapatis, when we cook the food items, we won't get back that food items from this. Once it is cooked, it is cooked. Once we made the idlis out of rice, will we get the rice out of the idli? No. So that is irreversible. Okay, so let me show that slide. So changes that are two types of changes. Reversible change we learned in the last class. My main points, I hope you had noted down these all change, important points, right? Next one, irreversible changes. Irreversible changes are that cannot be reversed. These changes that we cannot reverse. It is a permanent change and we cannot get the original substance out of it. We cannot get the original substance out of it. Okay. So here we will get so many examples. So let me ask you one question. Yes.
And can you show the slide once more?
Yeah, I will show the slide. Okay, after showing it, I will ask question. You have to remember that points, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Each one by one points I will show. Okay. Irreversible changes. Another name of irreversible changes are non-reversible changes. Okay. Here, changes that cannot be reversed. These are called irreversible changes. Next point. Change is permanent. These changes, changes are permanent. We cannot get the original substance out of it. Once the change happens, it is happened. We won't get the original thing. I think you understood this by doing that activity. One simple activity you had done, right, in the previous class. Okay. So these all are the main points. So shall I ask question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are irreversible changes? So those who are not able to see that slide, you can note down the points when some others are saying it. Okay. Okay. Let me ask to Sienna. What are irreversible changes? Oh, Sienna, not responding. Uh, okay, Brissa. Brissa. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
please respond. What are irreversible changes?
Irreversible changes are the changes which are permanent, and it cannot be the substance cannot be reversed.
Reversible changes. Okay, Alchina. Okay, Alchina. Brissa, please.
We cannot get the original substance.
Okay, we cannot get the original substance back. Okay, then another one. It is a permanent change.
Changes that cannot be reversed.
That is the point. What are irreversible changes? Changes that cannot be reversed. Okay, changes that cannot be reversed. I think you understood that point, right? Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Next one. Let me see. See, some of your siblings are talking. Please see here. You can see the melting of ice cream. Oh, Amita is so happy by seeing that one. Amita Vinod, please tell me which type of change, reversible or irreversible? No way, not responding. Smriti, this, yes, which type of change, reversible or irreversible?
Ma'am, this is reversible.
Reversible. It is a permanent change. Once it melts, we can keep it in the freezer. We will get back that ice cream, right? So it
Yes,
is a reversible. See, in the page number textbook, page number 48. Some you have to do some examples there. Okay, that is homework. So let me explain these all. After that, you can do that table, page number 48 as homework. Devaganga. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devaganga. Which type of change? You can see it here. Pencil becomes small. Eraser after use, it become also so small. Which type of reversible or irreversible? Reversible or irreversible?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, tell me. Yes.
Irreversible.
It's irreversible.
It's irreversible. See, as some are facing the network issues, I can't fold them. Okay, so those who know the answer, please tell. This type, when it mixing of sugar in water, think and say, okay, mixing of sugar in water. Reversible.
Irreversible. Reversible.
Reversible. It is a reversible. In the previous chapter you learned by evaporation you will get
Evaporation, we can get the sugar.
Yes, ma'am. Next one.
Irreversible.
Irreversible. Non-reversible. Okay. This one curd to milk to curd.
Ma'am, irreversible.
Irreversible. Okay. Irreversible. Okay. Agarbattis to ash or gases.
Irreversible.
Irreversible. Irreversible. Ripening of fruits.
Irreversible.
Irreversible. Okay. Freezing. Ice when water when freezes ice.
Ma'am, reversible.
Okay. Oh, so these all are some of the examples for reversible and irreversible changes. Okay. So you have to do the table homework page number 48. Have you seen that? One table is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Be ready for the next class. Now I am
Okay, ma'am.
ending the class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank